Hi, it's Ronnie with Plan to Eat, and I am excited to share with you two new options that are available in the cooking view in the Plan to Eat app. I am personally excited about these two options because I find them very beneficial when I'm using the cooking view. So let's open up a recipe and I will show you these new features. One of the things that we added are these handy check boxes next to both the steps as well as the ingredients. So as you add ingredients to your pot or to your bowl as you're cooking, you can tap these items off so that you know which ones you've already added. You can also do this with the steps in the step-by-step option over here to make sure that you remember that you did certain steps. Now, something that I'm super excited about is being able to add items to the shopping list directly from the cooking view. So all you have to do is tap on an item and you get the option to either quickly add it to the shopping list or edit it and then add it to the shopping list. So if I quick add it, it's just going to automatically add it to my shopping list. You can see that I have that little notification at the bottom. Or if I want to add it to the shopping list and maybe edit something related to this item, I can do that here. I can say that I want 5 tablespoons instead, or I can select a specific category that I want this to go into versus the normal default category that it would go into. And then I hit save and I'm back at the cooking view. So I didn't lose my place and I was just able to quickly add that item to the shopping list without taking very much time away from my cooking process. We're super excited to bring you these features. And if you have any questions, email us at help@planteat.com and I will see you again soon in another video.